Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we take Golf 8 on a point of view test drive during the day. As you can see, we have a beautiful example here in a lime green metallic color. This is the 2-liter TDI with 150 horsepower style package, optional beautiful 18-inch wheels, diamond cut. And then if we move here at the back, this is the new design with the IQ lights, and then the Golf lettering at the back, and also the spoiler in the same color as the body of the car. And yes, there are, can we even call them the fake exhausts? They are here, but it is what it is. The real exhaust is underneath this. And well, yeah, without further ado, you see that this car has dynamic indicators. Also, it has the smart entry system. I will now show you. Actually, let me lock the car. Okay, so we locked the car, and now just press this, and that's it. Car unlocks. You're greeted with this beautiful digital cockpit, which is standard on all new Golf 8 models. So this is the driver's perspective. I'm gonna turn on the car. You start it with the start engine button, which is here. Then this car has the 7-speed DSG, uses the shift by wire technology. So look at this, we are in drive, neutral, reverse, gear lever, the small one, beautiful one, it's always in the same position. Let's go to the drive. And then, for example, if you want, you can wirelessly charge your phone on this. This is the map, and then you also have the new infotainment system with various colors and various options available. But without further ado, let's start the drive, put it to drive actually, and let's go. Speaking of the figures, as I said, 150 horsepower. And 360 Newton meters of torque, so a lot of power in this one. It's a 2-liter TDI. You also have some eco tips here. You can turn them off, of course. And then, as I said, digital cockpit in front of the driver has different views. This one is cool, I think. Safety systems and the road. And then you can have just the navigation. You can also remove those 2 dots. Let me show you. No display. So now you can do the same on the right, but I will put it back. There will be a night point of view drive where you'll be able to see all the elements, and I will talk more on that video. And today in this video we're just gonna drive and cruise. I'm gonna, you know, say a few words, but we're gonna focus on the driving aspect, and we're gonna go on a country road like this, then on a highway, and then back into the city. let us now check it out on the highway. Let me also show you how does the lane assist work. So look at this. It's nice and easy, keeping us in our lane. Should do the same here. But now it's doing the emergency stopping. So if you don't hold the steering wheel, it will perform an emergency stop. Slowly it will, start to slow down. And also one cool feature is this. So look at this, the blind spot monitor. When I have the car, this is illuminated on the mirror, so that's a cool feature. And this car really has a lot of torque, 360 Newton meters, and you can feel it especially here. That it's very powerful actually. So 150 horsepower and a lot of torque. Back to the city now, and let me show you one thing that I think I haven't mentioned yet. So look at this feature, gesture control. So is it necessary? Well, I don't think so, but is it cool? Well, maybe, yeah. I mean, you can play with it. Sometimes maybe it can even be useful, you don't need to do this. Okay guys, so that was it. Point of view drive. Stay tuned for in-depth review, of course, and night point of view drive, so that you see ambient lights and everything in action. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.